Can I close this also?
Okay, whoever remember what? Somebody was saying something.
Can I close this card also? 147 summation of count,
No, no.
employee counts.
And click on the blank space.
Okay.
Okay, first let's okay, click on the card only. Click on 1470. Give it a title. Okay, how do you give it a title? Go to second visuals, visualizations. Go to the second thing on the visualizations. Yes, you're learning. Go to general, general and title. On the title, and then click on the title. Click on the title. Yes, and give it a title. So, what is the title?
Employee count.
Overall employees or employee count.
Oh, okay.
Whatever looks better. See, but it's looking kind of weird. So the alignment, do it center alignment. See, at the bottom there is alignment. Increase the text size and font.
We
No,
can increase the heading
no. Keep the heading as it is.
font.
Font, change the font. The font doesn't look good. Of your choice. Choose a font of your choice and increase the text size. 14 is very less. Yes, very less. So, see, it looks kind of good now, but we still have to improve it. Okay. And how to improve it? By designing it. Okay. Okay, done. We're done with the this. I think the title. Okay. Now, okay, yeah.
I can add colors.
Choose your colors. Don't choose colors right now. Why? I'm telling you this. The basic thing is, first of all, let's choose a background and then choose the colors according to the background. Right? That would be better.
Okay.
So click on the blank space and go to the second option of visualization. Yes. See canvas background.
Okay.
Yeah, click that and browse. Browse, not color. And click a image. Yeah, this blue black background, blue and shadow. I hope everybody is following. Any questions? Ask in the chat.
Yeah, I selected the file here.
It's loading. It's loading. Oh no. The transparency is 100%, right? Increase the transparency. Decrease the transparency. See on your canvas, the transparency is 100%. Below. See, decrease the transparency. Make it 10 to 15%, not like that. 10-15%. Why have you 1001%?
No.
Yeah.
15.
And image fit. Put it to normal to fit. Okay. Just in the image fit, don't put it normal. Put it fit. Yeah, fit. See this fit. Also choose the image fill. What does fill do? Try to do fill. Also explore options. That's what I'm saying. Okay, fill doesn't work.
Fit.
Yeah, looks good. Now, according to this background, we're going to design our card. Okay, so first increase the size of your card. Sorry, decrease the size of your card. Card looks a little big, so decrease the size. Just how you do it on PowerPoint. Okay, nothing else. No, not like that. Not like that. Not like that. An image size. How do you decrease it in PowerPoint? From the sides. Okay, you reduce it from sides. You drag and reduce. See?
Okay.
Yeah. Not make it. Don't make it this less. Okay. Make it a little bigger. Stretch the sides. Stretch the side. Not this. Stretch the side. Yeah. I think now it looks okay. Okay. It looks. And move it a little down. Yeah. Not yeah. This designing is your part. Okay. You have to design according to your wish. Now let's change some more things here, right? What do you change? Go to general.
Filter on visuals.
Filters. What is filter? Any filters applied? Affect the visuals. Okay, we're not going to filters. Okay, we're going to general on visualizations. Choose the card. Yeah. Go to your formative visual. Go to general. General, and then see there are a lot of options. Okay, title, effects. Go to effects and choose the background color of this. You want something other than white? What looks good on black? Choose the color. I think gray looks very good on black.
Gray. Gray it is a combination here itself.
Okay, yeah, it's a combination of gray only. So you can choose whatever you want. Okay, among these colors.
No.
And also, you can choose the transparency according to your image. Okay.
Okay. You can see it clearly. Light color.
This doesn't look good on black. See, looks like a little childish. Yeah, this looks like a business profile. Okay. So decrease. You can also decrease the transparency. Okay, so increase the transparency so that it mixes well with your background. Okay. Move it to like 40-50%. See the lines of your background. See, they're visible on your card also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, now it looks kind of professional. So it'll look more professional as we go along. Now, so our idea is to make it look professional because Power BI is not only a business tool but also a designing tool. So you have to design it as well as making a business, make it a business tool. Okay. So okay, that's good. This is our first card. Okay. Now we can do some other changes also. So select your card. Select your card. First select your card.
Yeah.
And then the second option will be unlocked. Yeah. And explore the general. Okay. Go to general and explore it. Uh, you have this properties. Properties, you don't need properties. Titles, effects, header icons. Go to header icon and choose your header color. Okay.
You can do black over itself.
Yeah. See the icons are black. Okay. The filter and things, those are black. You don't need them, but okay. No problem. Icon. Go to icon and choose the icon color. These are like minor adjustments, but when you actually do stuff like that, you'll don't choose black. Choose a combination of black and gray. So if one is black, then other must be gray. Both blacks don't work. See, now the filter and the options are clear. See, also you can do visual border. Okay, visual border. You can give it a border on that visual border. First, you have to on it from off. See, it's off. On it, and then choose your color of border. What kind of border do you want?
Anything.
Visual border.
Uh, see, your border is black, right? Border is a very thin line.
Yeah. Here we can see a thin line over here.
Yeah. So canvas, if you do want to do something with the canvas, you're free to do it. Okay, no problem. Do you need to do something else? No. Okay, leave it. Okay, I think we're done.
What is the tool tips?
Okay. Okay, explore tooltips if you want. No problem. So these are like there are a lot of options. Okay, these are like editing things. You can explore anything you want and do stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So for now, leave it. Okay. Let's make another card. Today, let's work
Okay.
on the algorithms and designing part. Everybody will get a assignment. Okay, to design this as much as I'll grade. Okay, I'll grade the top 3 designs. Okay, I want a page full of designed this. I'll make 2-3 cards and design to 2-3 cards and make charts also. Okay, explore in your own way and see if you can do stuff with it. So copy paste this, take this card and copy paste. Select the card. Yeah, copy and paste. Copy it.
Okay.
Yeah. Copies Control C also.
Copy. Okay.
This Control C, Control V, nothing else. Yeah, and then and align it. Yeah. So the red line is alignment. Yeah. Now, the heading is this attrition. So how do you change the title? If you remember, do you remember?
We can go for visuals.
General. Okay.
Title.
Title. Give a title.
Or we can change it off.
Attrition. Right. So now we're finding out the attrition of the company. What is the spelling of attrition? See, that is written. The first letter is capital. I hope everybody is following. It's very, that's why I'm not exploring much because we need to get going. Okay, see the attrition heading is there. Now attrition is not 1470. 1470 people have not left the company. Okay, there are people who have left the company. How do you find out how many people have left the company?
Here we have to select the.
See, if you go to the report page, see on the top three, go to the left hand side and see the top three things. No, not the top three things. Like the three
Yeah.
options: report, and then
Yeah.
and the second, what is there?
Data.
Yeah.
Model.
So go to data and
Okay.
adjustments. Okay. See in the data, you have to do some adjustments. What is the adjustment? We have to see the attrition is yes, no, yes, no, yes. What is the number of attrition? Well, you have to find out a number, right? So
We
if
have
you
to.
count manually, okay, that is not data analytics because if you had to count 14,070 rows, okay, 1470 rows, okay, that is not the correct way to do it. So how do we do it? We see if you guys remember of data analysis, okay, we're also doing some algorithm so that the yes and no is counted, and at last the data is like, well, okay, this is the total number of yes and this is the total number of no. You guys remember it because that is the way we were doing it. So induce a new column. So there is a new column option. In the above. See on the title. Yeah, new measure, new column, new table.
Yeah. New table.
Select new
New
column.
column.
Your column is okay. I think okay. We have to do it from here or somewhere else. Okay, let me try. You have to use a conditional column. Where is conditional column? Do I remember?
We have to segregate a attrition column based on yes or no.
Yes, based on yes or not. So if you use a conditional column for that, right? So is there a conditional column option? I don't remember. I think like this you can do also. Okay, you can give a formula, but I think conditional column option is better. It's a better option. Is it on report or something else? Can't properly. Okay, let me try it myself. Okay, I think conditional column is not there in data. I think it's in transform data. Yeah. Okay, go to your data only. Go to your data report. Go to the report option. Yeah. And you have transform data. Go to transform data. Yeah. I think transform data, there is a conditional column thing. I think here you can choose conditional columns. Okay, let me try. Then. Okay, go to add columns, and then I think, yeah, go to add column. Not here. After home, transform. See, beside home. Not here. Not here. Beside home. Transform and then add column. Yeah, add column and then choose conditional column. See? Above, you're going in the right direction. Yes, conditional column. Yeah, and write your condition by yourself. I think that you can. So, what is the column name? Give a column name. Attrition count. Okay, here, new column name. See,
Yeah,
not
operator equals.
value.
We can
What is
we
the
can
value?
give values as is.
Yes. Okay, right. Yes. Y is capital, right? Yeah, Y is capital.
There y is capital, so that 1 minute.
I've checked Y is capital.
No,
So
y is capital.
Y is, so output is what? This is the main deal. What is the output?
We can all the S column should be segregated here.
Yeah, but how? Segregation is summation. That is a different thing. Okay, segregation.
Aggregate.
This is different. This is we're creating a column here. We're not segregating. Remember this. The segregation is done. Okay, the sigma is done after. First of all, the yes has to. We have to convert the string into a whole number. Okay, that is our approach, right? So a string cannot be segregated. You know that, right? How
Yeah.
do you segregate a string? Is it possible?
Summation.
Summation. Does summation work on?
Plus marks.
Does summation work on strings? Does it?
But plus mark can be
Yeah.
plus.
Plus, how do you summation of like how do you do a summation of yes and no? Is it possible to do a summation of yes and no?
No, we can't do that.
So you have to convert it into a whole number, right? So what is under a whole number? 1. So if the
Yeah.
addition equals yes, output is 1, right? So output write 1. I think I did this in data analysis also. How do you guys not remember? Okay, else, what is the else? This is an if else. Okay, so what is else? Don't write okay. What is it?
0.
0. So write 0. And now give the column name. The custom is not the name. Okay, so write attrition count is the name. Not here, on a new column name. See, above column name, there is a new column name. So attrition count. See? Very simple. Because I have already shown you, string doesn't work like that. Okay, you can't write summation operation. Okay, that. Okay, this conditional thing. See, 101010. Like this, we're going to have this simple column. So you can see you have a new column, and by this column, we're going to have this new the attrition count. So what is the next approach? Anybody? Come
We
this.
have to apply the property something.
Okay, go to home. Yeah, close and apply. Good. Now what else?
Here we can see your attrition count.
Yes, we can see the attrition count. What else? Now, how do you?
So
I need a number. Okay, 100 or 200 or 300. How do I do that?
here we got a column attrition count, right?
Yeah, I've got a column attrition count. It is showing me values of 101010, right?
As in what?
And so there is not summation, right? We've only got a column. We want a summation of attrition count. Okay, so okay, let me try this. So choose the attrition count on the table. On the table, not here. On the table, choose the attrition count. Yes, and then see a data type. Uh, choose from text. See in the top left side. In the top left side, there is text. Okay,
And data type.
choose text to whole numbers. I think we need whole numbers for this. We don't need decimals. We don't like. Why do you need decimals? Yes, because there is no point in choosing decimals. So we need a whole number. So it's changed to whole number. Okay. Now, what is the next step?
We got a summation.
See,
We got a summation
what is
count
the
also.
right?
For
Why? Can anybody explain this process? Why previously it is not showing summation and now all of a sudden when I introduce the whole number concept, why is it showing?
because the data type is given as a string.
Yeah, text
String
is
cannot be submitted.
yeah. So that's what I've been saying all this time. A string cannot be like used in a sigma. A whole number can be used in a sigma. Okay, very easy. So this is how our this is how we're going to get the value at a sig. We could count it. Okay, it's very easy to count this attrition value and all that stuff. We can. There is also a formula to count the number of yeses. Okay, in a string, but that is not the correct approach for a data analyst. Okay, the correct approach is to first convert it into a string. Okay, induce another column. Okay, and then convert into a whole number, the data type, and then we're going to sigma. So it's like the process is easier first of all and less hectic and easily rememberable. You could use a string process also, but there's a better way to do things. So okay, we've got the attrition summation curve. So how do you apply it? Go to your data report, not data. Sorry, go to your report. Write process. Right, see, write this on the data only. There is a cross and there is a right tick option. Choose the tick option. So that it's saved. By chance, it's not saved. Okay. Yeah, take it. You take it, right?
Yeah, take it. I have it.
Okay.
I've done it.
So go to report now. By chance, if it doesn't get saved, it gets saved in thing. I think in this option, but by chance.
Yeah, it's saved.
Now go to your select your card. Your card is already selected. Go to your visualizations, build visual. The first option of visualization.
But we have to count attrition count. Right?
It's already counted.
No, it's not counted.
No. Okay, I'll show you. Just go to your build visual. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay. Yeah, it should work. Now, drag and drop your attrition count into your field. Just the way you did before. Drag and drop.
Yeah.
It's already counted if you know that.
But it's not selected. Now it is selected.
It's already counted. You're saying that it's not counted. See, summation is a tool that Power BI does by itself. Okay, if you give it a whole number, it will induce a summation. So 0 is 0, 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 is like only the ones will be counted. Right? You're understanding, right? What I'm saying?
Yeah.
Only the ones will be counted and the zeros will not be counted. So when you're adding, so when you add the yeses, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it gives us 237. So what happened is we had overall 1470 employees, and among them, 237 employees have left the company. Okay. In a financial year, okay, something like that. Understood, everyone? If anybody has
Yeah.
any problems till now, I'm taking questions for the next 2 minutes. We'll do another card, okay, and you'll have an assignment to do more cards, as many as you can. I need at least 10 cards from you guys, okay. I'll also show you how to see. I've shown you some things, okay. So how to make a conditional column, okay. Remember that it's very important how to make a conditional column. And all that stuff. There are no notes.
Sir, can you explain one another time conditional column?
Okay. I'll explain on the see explaining. See, first of all, you have to remember. This is not the explanation part is very simple. Okay, you have to remember the remembrance part has to be there. So how do you do a the conditional column? Go to transform data. Okay, go to transform data. There is a option that add a conditional column. Okay, it's very simple. Transform data, add conditional column, and the condition you guys can figure it out. It's very easy. Okay, you guys will figure it out. You guys have to just remember that where see that I also made a mistake. I searched for it in the data column, but data column is not there. So it's in the transform data column. Okay, it's very simple. The remembrance is everything. On a designing tool or in a business tool, remembrance is everything. See, there is a conditional column thing. Okay. It's very simple, right? You remember it?
Conditional.
Add a conditional column. Okay, I'll also show it if you guys have any more doubts. I'll show it again also, no problem. Add column, yeah, and then conditional columns. Okay. See, like this. Clear? Vinod.
Okay, okay, sir.
Syntax will do.
But
Anyone can
on
do.
that time I didn't see in this one, sir.
Okay.
But on that time I am doing that
Okay.
code, visualization reports, these are things, sir. That's why I didn't see this.
So just remember where we have the conditional column, the syntax, you guys will figure it out. If column name operator is equal to output, then yes or no, then 1 or 0, okay, like that. Condition has to be yours. Okay, you'll have to do. Any more questions?
No,
I'll proceed then. I'll give another 2 minutes for questions and then I'll proceed.
okay, sir.
Ask if any questions are there. 1 more minute for questions and then we'll proceed to the next section, which is going to be our last card for the day. You guys have a lot of time to explore as much as you want. Do bar graphs, pie charts, okay, anything you want.
Sir, once again, can you show the wallpaper, how to set wallpaper
Set wallpaper, right?
background?
So you have
Oh,
opened
yeah,
your
yeah.
Power BI, right? So go to your blank page. Okay, just click your blank page. Click your canvas. And then click your canvas. Click your blank canvas. What are you doing? And then see, Mukesh, click your blank page and go to your this after build visual. There is a second option. Okay, and in the second option there will be a canvas background. So in the canvas background you can browse for images and you can download it. I'll show you the steps. The time problem is a lot. Yeah, I have to create a lot to like so many IDs and then so many meeting IDs and then again. Tridip, okay. Background wallpaper and Power BI. Okay, Tridip. See, yeah, the second option. Click the second option. See, canvas background. So in the canvas background, there will be an option, upload. See, image. From there, you upload the image that you want. Okay, she has uploaded black background image. You upload your choice of image. Okay, clear? Just click the clear. Don't click any card. Okay, if you want to do something on the background, just click your background and then this option will come. Correct? Ridhima and Mukesh, this is what you need to do. So the next card. Let's work on a next card.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So Nandini, do one thing.
Yeah.
Please again one card.
I've selected our card.
Yeah, copy paste. Copy paste it. Very nice. Now we are going to find out the attrition rate. At what rate are the employees leaving the company? Okay. How do you do that? Anybody with the formula of attrition rate? At what rate? At how many? What is the percentage of employees? You won't find it in HR data. You have to make the formula. So what is the formula?
Here we have to create a transform data.
Don't go there. Don't go there. Because transform data is possible, but we have to learn all things, right? We have to now you're learning how to create a new measure. You can do it on transform data also, but now you're not doing it, correct? So close your transform data.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the formula? Attrition rate by overall employees. That is your attrition by overall employees. That by that we can know what is the percentage of employees leaving the company, correct?
Yeah.
So go to your HR data. See, in the fields, there is HR data, right? Right click the HR data on the field. Right click. There is a new measure. New measure. And yes. So change the name.
Attrition by. Okay.
Yeah, change the name. So you have attrition count. So attrition rate. The name is attrition rate. Follow this. There are a lot of ways. Conditional column, measure. Measure is a very easy thing. So not doing measure. Attrition rate equal to what?
Attrition by overall employees.
Sum, right? Sum, SUM. FX sum. Choose that. Choose the FX sum. Yes. And
Attrition.
attrition count. HR data attrition count. Yes. Yes. The fourth option. Attrition count. And close the bracket of HR data. First bracket. Divided by.
Yeah.
Divided by what? Sum
Sum
of
of
overall employees. HR data overall employees. Okay. Overall employees are not there. So what?
current employees.
Overall employees?
We have given a employee count.
Employee count. So write EMP, like search EMP, you'll find. In the search bar, write EMP. See,
Yeah, EMP count.
and close the bracket. And write tick the option, tick the measure. See, there will be a calculator thing. See the calculator, attrition rate. Below attrition count in the fields, right? See, in the fields option, there will be a calculator option, right? See, not below,
Yeah.
above only. See, there is a calculator. See, a little calculator,
Okay.
not a sigma option, the calculator option. You know what a calculator is, right? See,
Yeah. But you're not.
the attrition rate we have. Attrition rate we have found out, right? So this is what we have got, attrition rate, and in the calculator format we have got it. So a measure is like uh, like a measure always, what I do in a measure, we always find out data in a calculator format. Okay, so the logo.
But where is the calculator?
Calculator logo. See, there is no calculator. There is a calculator logo, not sigma logo, right?
No, here we have a calculator on attrition rate.
Yeah. So we have found out the attrition. That's what I'm saying. We have found out the attrition rate. That's what we're trying to do. Okay. Now go to your attrition on the third column. Go to your third card. Select the third card. You have selected the second card. Select the third card. Not here. Card. Overall employees, attrition tourism. Select the third card. It's the second card, right?
I selected it.
Oh, this was
This is the second card.
okay. No problem. So here, what you need to do, select it and go to build visual in visualizations and drag and drop the attrition rate into the fields. 0.16, right? So 0.16 is not the correct way to represent data, right? You have to represent data in a like percentage format. So how do you do that?
That in formula into 100.
No. Why do your like Power BI already has tools to do that? Okay, we don't need to do that ourselves. So then let me try this. Let me try. So 1 minute. Yeah, format. Is there a format option? Click the card. Go to format.
Selected.
Go to format. In the home tab, go to format. Beside the home tab, in the top corner, see there is a home. There is a format tab also. In the right hand side of the home, there is a format tab. Insert, modeling, view, help, format.
Yeah.
In the right side, format.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Okay, why is it not there? I don't understand.
I selected a format.
Okay, go to your fields and select attrition rate there. Go to the field, go to the fields. Visualization, after visualization, go to fields, right hand side of your screen,
Okay.
fields, and click the attrition rate. I think, yeah, see there is format. So move it from general to percentage. I think that will help. That will do it. Percentage. See, you can choose the decimal point by yourself. So it is showing 2 decimal places, 16.12%. People have left the company. You can also increase or decrease the decimal point according to your own wish. Okay. And yeah, this is how you do it. So this is attrition rate. So 16.12% of people have left the company. Okay. So what is the formula? Attrition by overall employees. Correct.
Here itself we can do into 100 by in formula itself.
Yeah, I can do, but easy. See, we need to learn. Okay, so that's why I showed you the. You can also change the.
Okay.
There also you could do. Okay, so there are a lot of options and Power BI even.
Okay.
So it's better to know all the options, right?
Yeah.
Our meeting is going to end again. I can't tell you, but if you have any doubts, ask them to me in the group. Post a screenshot. Everybody who has done it, okay, post a screenshot in the group. So you have done it, and then you post a screenshot in the group. Okay, what you've done. All the others are going to do the same thing. Post a screenshot either today or some other day or like any day you want. And how do you get? So also, you guys have any doubts? Ask me. Our meeting is going to end in any minute. So bye. Thank you. And keep editing. Keep making new cards.
We can make a n number of cards over here.
But